This is True Rock, and this is my second review. I'm going to be reviewing Amiga iPad Air 2 case. I got it off Amazon, and it was for a discounted price. And I just thought, let me just do the review. And this is it. It came in the pack. I've already taken out the pack. What I think about the Amiga case is that it's meant for iPad Air 2 or 3 only. You can't use it for any other iPads apart from, and I've got my iPad here, which is a bit worn out and a bit broken, so pardon me about that. So I'm just gonna try it out, but before I try it out, I'm just gonna tell you the 4 main benefits of it, which is number 1, it is very, very protective. It will protect your iPad screen from damaging and breaking. I've got 3 kids, so I know what I'm talking about. Number 2, that is very versatile in that you can use it for a stand the way you want it. It's got 3 steps. You can use it as a iPad stand as well. You can see from there. Number 3 is that it's got a pocket where you can put your stuff in. You can put, if you're a student, you can put your notes in. If you're a businessman or woman, you can put anything inside. And if you're a spender like me, you can put your credit card inside, or your debit card, whatever, and you can take it out and use it like a purse. The fourth bit is that it's got a pen. The pen is used on a touch screen only, and it makes it fun, I think. So I'm just going to show you how it works quickly. You slide it through like that. Can you see it? And you put this upper bit inside. You tuck it in like so. And that's it. It's all done. The best part of it is that when you use it as well, it hibernates your iPad. Shut it down so you can save battery, which is, I think, is a quite good thing to involve in the case. So guys, I think I'm gonna give it 5-star rating, and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up because I think it's a good investment, and I think it's very, very, very good case for an iPad. iPads generally are very expensive, so you want to make sure it lasts for a while. So if you want to make sure it lasts for a while, get this. It's called Amiga iPad Air 2 case. Alright guys, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. God bless.